All right, so the next car on the list and then just back it up. Yeah, just straight back. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and you're good. All right, time for the second car. This one's pretty cool too. Give you guys a walk around. Pretty sick. So the reason I'm shooting these cars is the owner wants to get very detailed models made. I'm not sure what scale, but my job is to get as many photos of all the details and everything so that when the builders get the set, they can get as close to the real deal as possible. So pretty sick. All right, let me get the time lapse set up. Guys, look at the interior. Now this interior is pretty simple, just the necessities. Got a radio over there, fire extinguisher, and then we got jacks or whatever in case you get stuck. At the front here, so those doors on top with the locks give you access to those right there, which is cool. Another tire up front. Passenger side. Really simple. Let's see the radio there. And then last, the engine. I'm assuming flat 6. That's all I know. Air cooled, obviously. But yeah, that's all she wrote for this one. I'm gonna go get Will so he can put it back inside.